Hello, now I'm going to start this video talking about the speaking and all the points that the guide give us. Uh, now, in this work, I'm going to talk about the personal introduction. Later that I'm going to talk about the stage one, and to finish I'm going to talk about my trip to San Andres and the brochure that we made for the activity of the reading. About me, my name is Marta Isabel Ricaurte. I'm 29 years old. I'm living in Bogota and I was born in Bogota too. And now I'm actually studying in the University of UNAP Business Administration, and after our graduation I hope to start my own business. In my free time I like to exercise and make a I like to run in the park. And also one of my hobbies are painting. And now I'm going to talk about stage one. The first point is the charge one, the practice 7. We have to make audio that I post to the forum. Here I read the verbs in past again. Wished, need, shipped, stopped, speeched, picked, faced, mashed, finished, smacked, punched, punched, packet, smashed. And this one smashed, I forgot put the E and the D for making pass, but it's smashed, not smash. The other thing is the unit 1.5. What did you do last weekend? I'm going to record this record in the forum. I deliver the audio. Now I repeat the recording. Counted, spended, contracted, decided, facilitated, extracted, divided, invited, united, excited, inhibited, loaded, apprehended, abrogated, extended, invited, exploded, extradited, exploded, and compensated. And the last one, the last one is the unit 1 fasten your seat belt. I repeat these verbs: that, cap, glad, bad, man, black, sad, and fat. Bueno, this is about that. I'm going to show the brochure I made in picture chart. Uh, this one for the activity of the writing. Okay, in this I'm looking for this. Here I various activities and practice that the guide give us to do. And this one was a letter. I don't know. This is in Spanish. I don't know why. Because this translate. Yeah. this this is translated, but I'm here to show the original work. Show presentation. Here is. Okay, this is the work. How I was saying, this is a letter. We have to change the verbs in this. This is a screenshot of the work. This is other practices that we made. And where are talking to San Andres, where I was the trip. This one. And my last vacation, we went with my family, some of my family. We have so much fun because we are with my cousin and my uncles. I I have so much fun with them. And the weather in San Andres was wonderful because all the days that we stayed there was sunny days. The weather was warm and everything was colorful there. We stayed for 5 days. We visit so much places near to San Andres. One of that was the Morgan Caves and other places like a bar, like the sea, and that. This This vacation was easy to go because it was a little cheap. We paid 1.5 million and we paid it by various months and was easy to travel. I recommend for this place that we have to care the sun's burn in the skin with sun protect and to repellent to the mosquitoes because they pinch and was awful. That's all. That's my presentation about my work, and I hope that enjoy this presentation. Thank you.